I started this firm with Mark Hart.
Carlos and I started this 6 or 7 years ago.
Mark's an old friend, and we had a chat one day and decided to give this a go.
We both worked for insurance companies, had pretty much the same complaints.
We were both doing defense work at the time. It's thankless work. You work for the, for the man, if you will. You're not necessarily helping the little guy.
Every case that we had, right, we were taking instructions from somebody from within an insurance company. Without fail, those instructions would always be tailored towards keeping money in the insurance company's pocket. So we decided that rather than work at the bidding of the insurance companies, we're going to take what we'd learned and help actual people.
We had enough chats, we smoked a few cigars, and eventually we went for it. And there's been no looking back since.
Well, Carlos and I have known each other for a long time, and we worked together previously in a former life now. And he left quite a few years ago to start the firm and work on his own. And then eventually I dragged my feet. I delayed for a little bit, but or a while actually, and then came on board, about a year and a half ago.
We were really lucky to connect with a friend from law school, Gabriel.
A few years back, Carlos Jimenez and Mark Hart both left their jobs to start the practice. I knew Carlos and I knew Mark from law school. We all went to FIU Law together. And at the time, I had my own practice. So being Columbus guys, Carlos graduated from Columbus and so did I. We had that connection and we went to lunch and said, hey, how can we help each other out? And we built a relationship that over a couple of years developed into me joining the firm as a partner.
And since Gabe has joined the firm, we've really been skyrocketed. We were two people. Initially, we started two people and a virtual receptionist. We shared an office on the second floor of Elena de Socarras's office, a family law lawyer who's now my wife's law partner.
And since then, we've grown the practice to 6 lawyers and 10 staff. So we've grown significantly over the last 4 years.
It's nice to be able to work with friends, people you trust, and then also at the same time doing some good along the way.